Hello everybody, my name is Shai and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys some contacts I received. This is from Eotd. I'll link their Instagram and everything down below in the description so you guys can check them out for yourself. But yeah, they were kind enough to send me two different styles of contacts that are actually brands from South Korea, so I'm super excited to try it, and I'll be showing you guys how they look. So yeah, this is a little box that it comes with, super cute, and then the back, and it just says, "My eye palette, my eye of the day is here, meet Eotd." Super cute box. And then when you open it, the contacts are there, and these actually did ship pretty fast. When they sent them to me, like they gave me like the shipping and tracking and everything, and I got it within like a couple of days, so that was super exciting. They gave me like different colors to choose from, but I decided to choose these two. So here's this one. It is called, the brand is, what is it? I want to say Chu Lens. Yes, Chu Lens. And then it says chapter 1 dessert. I got the color pink brown, which like I'm so excited for that. But the packaging is so cute. There's like a little like flan or like some kind of like custard right here. So cute. And then I got these. It says here, "Secretive Christian, a dose of beauty for your eyes. She kept her secrets in her eyes." And I got the color gray. I don't know if you can, yeah. But the box is super cute too. But yeah, I got these two colors. I'm super excited. We're gonna try them on together and then see how they look and which ones I like. But I actually have a code. I'll leave it in the description as well, so you can check it out and use the code if you'd like. So yeah, let's open these. Handy dandy, my little cutter. I like don't want to mess up the box. It's so cute. Alrighty then, it's open. I can't get over packaging. Packaging is very important, I feel like, when it comes to a brand. So I'm obsessed. Oh my god, I did not know this, but it comes like in a whole, like there's like several of these. Look at that. There's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pairs of the pink brown. I thought it was just gonna be like one pair. That's pretty cool. And then it just comes with instructions, how to put it on, and yeah, that's super exciting. I'm like so happy that I have more than one pair. So there's the pink brown style, and then let's open these. It's really cute because it's like, "Hey Christian, how are you today?" I don't know, it's not gonna like focus, but whatever. Okay, this one's pretty easy to open. Okay, and this one actually comes with just one pair. So this is how they look. super subtle, super cute. That's how the back looks. Just says hi Kristen. But yeah, the color is plus gray. And the same thing here, it just shows you how to put on the contacts, but like the artwork is so cute. Look at that. It just says wash your hands, read the manual, open your eyes widely and put them in, show them off to your friends. Super cute. I'm super excited to try these on. So I haven't had contacts in like a while. I'm gonna do this off camera and then come back and show you guys how it looks, because I'm not about to do that looking into that camera. But yeah, I'll be back and I'll show you how they look on me. So I kind of wanted to show you guys a difference of how they look. This is my regular eye color. This is the pink brown. Look how pretty it looks. It's very subtle, but it like there is a difference, and it looks lighter too, so I love it. Look at it. Super cute. Okay, I'm gonna go put the other one on, show you guys the full look. So this is how they look with both of them on. I love the style because it's very subtle, but it really does make a difference. Like this really goes well with the eyeshadow that I chose, so it's really popping out. But I like these. These are super cute. I have no complaints about them. This is the pink brown style, but I love them. I love them. I would definitely like wear these out a lot, I feel like. But yeah, let's try the gray ones next. Okay, so these are the Secret of Kristen, or Kristen. I keep saying Christian. This is my regular color. This is the gray, as you can see. These are super cute too. Oh my god, I love these. Look at that. Also, the contact for this one is much bigger than these. I don't know if you can tell, but like my eye looks bigger, but super pretty. I like these too. So let me go put on the other ones so you guys can see. Okay, so this is how they look both on. Look at that color. Super cute. I like these too. These definitely make your eyes look bigger. I feel like they appear bigger, but they're very comfortable on. I've worn contacts before and they felt very uncomfortable. I don't know what it was. I don't know why it felt uncomfortable for me, but these are very comfortable. Like they just feel nice on, and they definitely look super pretty. I love how like they're subtle, but you know, you can tell a difference. But yeah, these are super cute. I feel like the styles I got, like they're each very different. Like this is more like I feel like, you know, you're going out with your friends at night, you're going to an event or whatever. These are like perfect for that. And then the pink brown are more like soft girl, like really pretty, kind of romantic type of style. So yeah, they're each different. I love them both. I think they suit me really well. So yeah, I'm really happy with them. So yeah, thank you so much to Eotd for sending me these. I can't wait to like purchase more. I'm like super curious about other styles now. So yeah, like I said, everything will be in the description below. The link, my code, where you can find them on Instagram and stuff. And yeah, I also have an Instagram and I'll post like pictures of how I look like up close and stuff. So if you want to check that out as well, you can. But yeah, thank you again. And if you like this video, subscribe to my channel. I want to do more content. I know I've been gone for a while, but I definitely have more ideas coming, and I'll be online more, definitely. So yeah, just follow me on this journey, like, subscribe, all that stuff. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.